Hey guys, Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be reviewing and swatching Jaclyn Hill collection, and today I'm going to be swatching Armed and Gorgeous palette. I have all four of them, all full four palettes, so I'm going to go in depth with each one of them, and they're going to be 4 different videos. So if you want to see a palette in particular, then make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm uploading my next video. I'm going to be doing a different kind of swatches today and testing, and what I'm planning is to do it to apply it directly on my eyes for you guys to see how they behave on the eye, because I always say the hand swatches online that I see, I never ever trust it. So in order to get a more precise idea on how they look like on the eyes with different base, because I'm going to put on one eye a tacky base, and I'm going to use as a base, I'm going to use the Lock-It concealer in the shade White Out. The reason why, because eyeshadows a lot of times behave a lot different when you have a tacky base underneath and when you had a set base when it's dry and you apply it on a dry base. Also, let me know if you want me to make a whole series with swatches like this. Let me know if you like them that way, or if you want me to change anything, and if you have any palettes in your mind that you would like me to test out and show you how they perform, then leave the name of them and I'll get back and try to do them as soon as possible. But let me tell you, this was not easy. My eyelids are crying to the gods because they hurt from testing everything. Hope you guys appreciate that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Also, what I wanted to mention is that throughout the video I did not wet my brush, so it's all applied with a dry brush on the eyes. I'm not going to do many comments throughout the video, as I think this is all self-explanatory, so I'm going to spit it all out so you can see how it applies quickly and not bore you out to the death. So without further ado, I'll let you enjoy it and I'll be back at the end.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. Trying to
and me. Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Love, I stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Love.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night. And there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload next. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in.